कैसे हो दोस्तों? अगर आपको दिन भर थकान होती है, अगर आपको नींद में डिफिकल्टीज होती है, और इफ यू सफर फ्रॉम अ लॉट ऑफ मसल क्रैम्प्स, देन टुडेज वीडियो इज फॉर यू बिकॉज एनी ऑफ दीज और ऑल ऑफ दीज कुड बी अ साइन ऑफ लो मैग्नीशियम लेवल्स इन योर बॉडी. Magnesium is a very important mineral for your overall health, and today I'll be educating you on magnesium. Welcome to the channel. My name is Dr. Manan Vora. I help you live your life pain free. Please subscribe to the channel right now. माई यूट्यूब एनालिटिक्स से कि आप लोग आके मेरे वीडियोस देख तो रहे हो पर आप सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रहे हो. प्लीज डू ड्रॉप अ सब्सक्राइब बिकॉज इट प्लेज अ ह्यूज रोल इन माई ग्रोथ जर्नी एज वेल. आज का वीडियो विल बी डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 सेपरेट टॉपिक्स अबाउट मैग्नीशियम. द फर्स्ट वन इज व्हाई डू यू नीड मैग्नीशियम एंड व्हाट आर इट्स बेनिफिट्स. द सेकंड वन इज हाउ मच मैग्नीशियम डू यू नीड एवरी डे. एंड द थर्ड वन इज फ्रॉम वेयर डू यू गेट इट, natural sources or supplements or maybe both. Let's dive into it. Magnesium is one of the most powerful minerals in the body. It is responsible for over 300 biochemical reactions and plays a role in each and every system in the body. Yet, very few people know about its importance. Very few people know कि आपको दिन में कितना मैग्नीशियम लेना चाहिए, आप कितना ले रहे हो, and what you need to do to make sure you meet the daily requirement. So let's talk about why magnesium is important. What are its benefits? सबसे पहला आता है मसल एंड नर्व फंक्शन. अगर आपको बहुत कॉमनली मसल क्रैम्प्स हो रहा है, मसल फटीग हो रहा है, twitching, what we call as muscle fasciculations हो रहा है, and in general you're getting muscle pains a lot, your magnesium could be low. Magnesium is also super important to help your nerves function smoothly. So when we get patients who tell us that they are facing numbness, उनको एकदम सुन लग रहा है या उनको tingling sensation आ रहा है, तो उनके magnesium levels low हो सकते हैं. Second है bone health. अभी जब भी bone health की बात करते हैं सब एक ही चीज बोलते हैं, calcium, calcium, calcium. But you'll be surprised to know that magnesium is equally important. अब magnesium करता क्या है? Magnesium helps your body absorb the calcium and it ensures that your bones remain strong and resilient. So if you are worried about your bone density, which is naturally going to decrease as you age, and this could mean कि आपका bone strength कम हो रहा है और आपका risk of fractures increase हो रहा है, your magnesium levels are very important. Third is sleep quality. If you are struggling for sleep, magnesium may be the answer. Magnesium helps regulate the neurotransmitters that help in calming down your nervous system and preparing your body for sleep. So if you find yourself constantly tossing and turning in bed, magnesium may be the answer, and it can also help with insomnia. Fourth one is energy production. Magnesium is responsible for converting your food into energy. तो अगर आपका मैग्नीशियम ही लो रहेगा, यू विल फाइंड योर सेल्फ कॉन्स्टेंटली स्लगिश एंड ड्रेन्ड. तो अगर आपको लगता है दैट यू आर कॉन्स्टेंटली फटीग्ड और हैव लो एनर्जी, मैग्नीशियम देगा आपको मच नीडेड बूस्ट. एंड फिफ्थ इज मूड एंड स्ट्रेस रेगुलेशन. यस, मैग्नीशियम इवन प्लेज अ रोल इन योर मेंटल हेल्थ. It regulates transmitters that are responsible for your mood, for your stress levels, and for anxiety levels. So if you constantly feel anxious or overwhelmed, magnesium is great in helping you soothing those nerves and bringing a sense of calmness. Now let's come to the second part of the video, is that for all these benefits to kick in, आपको daily कितना magnesium लेना चाहिए. So for adults, it is 310 to 320 milligram for women and 400 to 420 milligram for men. अभी इसमें होता क्या है कि a lot of people think they are on a balanced diet and it has all the vitamins and minerals, but trust me, you are most likely not taking the amount of magnesium that you need to be taking, so you will not get to experience all the benefits of this beautiful mineral. That's where your diet comes into the picture. So let's try and understand what are the sources of magnesium, what can you consume, and whether that will be enough or will you need supplements. The third part of this video is how can we get magnesium into your system. Of course, the easiest way is through food. So let's discuss some magnesium rich options just for you. The first one is green leafy vegetables like spinach and kale. The second is nuts like almonds and cashew. The third one is seeds. इसमें आते हैं आपके chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. The fourth one is whole grains. इसमें आते हैं आपके brown rice and oats. And the fifth one is legumes. इसमें आता है आपका black beans and chickpeas. अभी लोग क्या करते हैं ना, वो गूगल पे ये सारे सोर्सेज पढ़ लेते हैं, थोड़ा थोड़ा दिन में लेते हैं और उनको लगता है वाओ मेरा डे का मैग्नीशियम हो गया. Let me tell you how it actually gets calculated. Even if you have 1 ounce of almonds, you are only taking 19% of your daily magnesium intake. If you are having half a cup of boiled spinach, it is only 19% more of your daily magnesium intake. If you are having 1 entire ounce of chia seeds, it is only 26% of your daily magnesium intake. And trust me, you are not going to have all of these regularly every day, and even all of these did not go up to 100%. And that is where magnesium supplements come in. Let's talk a little bit more about magnesium supplements. Abhi, supplements are a very touchy topic because people feel, oh, he's always going to push supplements. That's not the point. Supplements, if used well, can actually be your best friend. Always remember that supplement का नाम में ही supplement है. It is not a substitute to the food sources that I mentioned earlier. You have to continue consuming those food sources. The supplement is an add-on to help you meet your daily requirement goals. Always remember this. Now, whenever you consider supplements, there are 2 scenarios that can come up. एक तो ये है कि आप enough consume कर रहे हो, लेकिन आपका body अच्छे से absorb नहीं कर रहा है और efficiently use नहीं कर रहा है to give you the maximum benefit. The second point is that you are just not consuming enough to meet your daily requirement goals. If you come under either of these scenarios, you need to seriously consider a magnesium supplement. तो अगर आप उनमें से एक हो जिन्हें mood swings आ रहे हैं, muscle cramps आ रहे हैं, constant feeling of low energy and fatigue आ रहा है, difficulty in sleep आ रहा है, you need to seriously consider a magnesium supplement and discuss this with your doctor. अभी बात रही types of magnesium supplements की, तो बाप रे इतने सारे हैं कि मुझे शायद इस पे एक अलग वीडियो ही बनाना पड़ेगा because it is extremely complicated. You have magnesium glycinate, you have magnesium citrate, you have magnesium L-threonate, you have magnesium lactate, magnesium malate, and the list just goes on and on. So if you want me to create a completely separate video on different types of magnesium supplements and which one is ideal for you, drop a comment in the comment section below saying magnesium supplements and I will make a separate video just for you. And that's it. आज के वीडियो में बस इतना ही. I hope I introduced you to magnesium as a mineral and how important it is for your body. I told you what exactly its key benefits are and how it can improve your overall health. I told you how much magnesium you actually need in the day and made you aware that despite what you think, you may not be consuming as much magnesium as you should be. I gave you natural food sources and I told you that you may need supplements and that there are various types of supplements. I think this has been a pretty cool video and you will agree as well. If you agree, please do like the video, drop a comment, do subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. As always, I will be back to help you live your life pain-free really soon. See you in the next video.